What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, it's a pretty day, and y'all see by the thumbnail, it's Dyno Day. Yes, indeed, it's finally Dyno Day, man. We finally hitting the dyno today. Going down, man. It's going down. We hitting the dyno. We hitting lead foot diesel performance. The numbers on the screen right now. Y'all can hit them up for any dyno runs or whatever, man. Real cheap. It's not high. It's not high as you think. A lot of people think it'd be super overpriced to just dyno your car. But if you want to know, and I suggest you know, they located in Monroe, Georgia. M-O-N-R-O-E, Monroe, Georgia, Walton County. Y'all go over there, man. Tell them JMalcom sent you, or hit them up. You got to call first. You got to call first, make your appointment, man. Tell them JMalcom sent you over there. They're gonna look out for you. Trust me. Find out what your car putting down, man. Hit the dyno. I suggest everybody, at least, I like to hit the dyno to find my shift points. Then y'all see, like with the Camaro, you get dyno tuned sometime. You'll go get tuned, but lead foot diesel, that's a good place to go just to get your runs and stuff. But if you got a diesel now, they get you right. They get you right. They serious with the diesel stuff. So we hitting lead foot. Cuzzo actually taking it, cause what I got planned, I got to go handle some business. So Cuzzo taking the car. So y'all gonna be able to check that out. Then by the time he bring it back, I'm gonna get back and I wrap up the video. I'm gonna find out what it make. So put your horsepower guesses below, what y'all think it's gonna put down. Me, I'm not expecting it to put down a lot of power. I'm just being honest, man. It's only 350 cubic inches. It's very mild. It's just a fun car. It's just a quick car. It's not very fast. That's why I told y'all out of the fleet, it's the next slowest. Cause Big Meat's gonna be the slowest cause it's gonna have a regular crate engine. But the Cutlass is next in line. Then you're gonna have Dolo, then John Jones, the Camaro. So I ain't looking for it to put down a lot of power. So we'll see. It definitely not gonna put down 400 nothing. So I'm just telling y'all, I give y'all that much. It's not gonna put down 400 nothing. Or whatever. I hope it put down 3 something. So we'll see. But y'all just stay. Now I do know what it is gonna do because of the blower. It's gonna make a lot of low end torque. Those roots blowers, they do make low end torque. That's a fact. So I'm looking for that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. All right, y'all see the Cutlass is back. The Cutlass is back, man. Cuzzo brought it back. This is actually the next day. It's the next day. Cause it came back in the evening. It was just too dark to close the video out and all of that. So But like I said, he got it back. And man. Y'all ready for the drum roll? Cause y'all know I didn't show the screen, so y'all ready for the drum roll. The Cutlass put down a whole 290 horsepower. No lie. 290 horsepower to the wheels. That's what the Cutlass put down. 290. And it made 333 or 334 on the torque. And it made that torque down low just like I guessed. 290 at 52. It probably would have tipped over in the 3 cause I think this well, I don't think, I know I done shifted it up. I shifted at 55 and it still make power. So I estimate it's probably right at a 300 horse car to the wheels, which put it at, it's probably like a 350 horsepower combo. If you're talking about flywheel horsepower, it's probably like a 350 horsepower flywheel combo. So 300 horse to the wheel, really. Like I said, he just shifted it like 300 RPM less. So I feel like it would have hit 300 flat. But it did make that torque. It made that torque down low, which is why it gets out the hole like it feel like it get out the hole where it do. But it's that torque. But that ain't nothing surprising. But hey man, I don't care. Now we get to see what 290 rear wheel horsepower does on the track. And I figured the car might be 3,600 pounds. It might be 38 with me in it, cause I'm like 228. So it might be, I ran between 228, 225. So it might be 3,800 with me in it. So now we get to see what 290 horsepower and 330 some foot-pounds of torque translates to in the 1/8 mile on the track. So we got us a base to run with. I told people the car slow, man. It's quick. It's fun now. It's fun car. It's fun car. You put the slicks on, man, it feel like something. But that's cause it's getting, you know, all the traction. So yeah, now we get to go to the track, put the slicks on, see what kind of time it put down. But it shouldn't. Me, now it should stay in the 8s. And I just know, cause I remember what this car right here ran, Big Meats. If y'all saw that video, y'all remember what Meats ran. So if this made 290 with a supercharger, imagine what that would make. That thing, that don't make no power, but it got a rear end in it. The way the car set up matters too. And the transmission, all that. So I'm gonna show y'all, like, you can see 290, cause that's why I try to tell people with drag racing. With drag racing, it ain't all about power. You don't have to make the most power in the world to go a decent number. I know that for a fact. In weight, suspension, you don't have to have all the power. It's about how you use it. And torque, it's about how you use it, really, when you come to racing. I learned it over the years of racing. So, yep. So, Big Meats ran a 960, I think. I think that's what I ran. I had to go back and look at my ticket. So, Big Meats ran a 960 in the 8th. So, and Big Meats way heavier. Geared higher, but it had an overdrive transmission too. It did that with a 700 R4. It would have ran faster with a 3-speed. So this definitely should be in the 8s with that 290 horsepower. So you can go 1/8 mile. You can go 8s in the 1/8 mile with 290 horsepower. Believe me, in a G body. So we're gonna see. But like I said, man, 290. So we know the power on the Cutlass now. So that's what we're working with. So we got 290 right here. And y'all saw y'all come in again. Y'all see them in the empty spot. Dolo is gone. Yes, Dolo gone. I ain't recorded none of that. It just got ghost. When will it come back? When will it come back? It's gonna be back faster than I thought. I can say that. It's down at Hustle Hard Performance. The number is on the screen. My guy Frank Jackson. Y'all know he do some sick work, man. He the one got the rear end done in the Cutlass. And he doing something else, all I can say. He doing something else. But it's down there at Hustle Hard Performance, and the car is gonna be back way faster than what I expected. That's all I can say. The car is gonna be back way faster than what I expect. I can say this: if you coming out March 28th, is me and Cuzzo first car meet of the year. We probably gonna end up doing 3 this year. March the 28th, which is on a Sunday, is the first car meet. I'm gonna put the flyer on the screen right now so y'all can see all the information. You see the address. It's at the same spot. So if you've been to the first 2 car meets I had, then you know where it's at. It's at the same spot. They're gonna always be in the same spot. They cool with us doing them out there as long as people keep it respectful, man. No burnouts, no spinning tires, none of that. It's just a good vibe. You have kids out there anyway, so I don't want nobody spinning tires and trying to show out. Even in the street, man, just keep it respectful, cause you know, you respect the town. That's how you keep having stuff, man. So March 28th, it's going down. Michael Myers Cutlass will be out there. Michael Myers Cutlass will be out there. He gonna tell y'all in his vlog. And y'all go comment hashtag race car. We've been taking it easy on him. He got a race car still, y'all. He pulling on a trailer around everywhere. Y'all go hashtag Hashtag race car. # race car. Go flood his last video. Race car. We gotta let him know. But he'll be out there, and I have all 3 of them out there. And I can't speak on wifey car. She gonna tell y'all what's going on with that, but she got some stuff going on too. But I can't speak on that. But I know I will have all 3 of them out there except Meats. But if you came to first car meet, you got to see Meats in person. Meats was there, but he gonna sit this first one out. The second one he will be there. I have all 4 of my cars. But the Cutlass will be there. John Jones will be there. I know for sure, cause I'll be getting it back soon. John Jones will be there. And Dolo will be there. Yes, Dolo will be there. It's guaranteed. Dolo will be at the car meet. Nobody got a chance to see that car in person. Unless, I mean, with the exception of my guy KJ, Cool Car KJ, or DB digging the scene, my boy Daryl, you know, Steve. They got to see it cause they came by the crib. I don't let everybody come out the crib though, but it will be out there. So I want to see everybody at the car meet, man. I love meeting everybody. Cuzzo like meeting everybody and stuff too. So yeah, that's it. But we got something to run with, y'all. 290. I'm ready to see what 290 gonna do on the track. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me every day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.